kayo sa mga awards night na ganito?
Well, hindi pa rin. Medyo nasasanay na rin kami. Pero parang nasasanay na. Pero at the same time, when we come here, parang new feeling. Kasi parang everyday, it's a different day. Pero sobrang exciting to be here. We're so honored.
Okay, nandun pa rin ba yung nervousness, yung excitement?
Actually, para sa akin, nasanay na po, pero yung kasayahan, yung excitement, andun pa rin.
Okay.
So, it's more on excitement and preparation sa magiging happy. More than even being nervous.
Okay,
Actually, ang lamig-lamig ng kamay niya.
Okay.
Kanina pa parang yelo. Sabi ko, hindi ko alam kung pero yeah, we're very nervous, pero we're so happy to be
Okay,
here.
ang movie, kamusta? Update sa movie.
Yung movie so far, first taping take ko pa lang. Pero masaya kami so far about sa movie. And we're so excited kasi not just movie, we're gonna star on our newest teleserye, which is Once Upon a Time.
Okay.
So it will be after Julia Montez.
Oo. Pwede na bang